frenzy of football in Uganda has been coming down. Yes, people have been sitting there at home watching EPL, watching Italian league, watching all the international leagues. But when it comes to coming back to the stadium to support their most favorite team, the Cranes, that has been kind of coming down. So we wanted to rekindle that fire today. Okay, how are we doing it? This day belongs to the supporters.
Because of the lack of home ground, the passion had died out. And we thought that what better way of bringing back this passion than to reignite it amongst our fans and our lovers of football. So on this very, very wonderful opportunity that we have, where our home stadium has been opened and our first game is on the 7th and on the 10th, we said, how can we mobilize Ugandans to be a part of this excitement? So we come up with this campaign, Uganda Fayaaa.
Today, MTN and FIFA, they are launching a campaign that will come in to entice the fans to be able to start the campaign for the match. The match where Uganda Cranes is going to play with Botswana and Algeria in the World Cup qualifier games. On the 7th and the 10th at Namboole Mandela National Stadium.
Bafika modo maive twalenga tubikolera nnyo okusinga Namboole ng'era nga twali ttiimu esobola kujja Namboole manya nti ezze Butwa kati essaawa eno era tugenda kuzza eno yaffe ajje Namboole Butwa jjukira akasayi kakyali kapya akaddo keeko kali akeeri nga bw'olaba ka Arsenal.
Kati tuli basanyufu nnyo okuba nga tuddayo Namboole mu maka gaffe aga Uganda Cranes nga ffe abawagizi ba Uganda Cranes mwana kye njagala okubagamba mwenna abali ewaka ffe twamaze dda okubiteekamu engatto era tuwerekedde Namboole tugenda kwaniriza Uganda Cranes.
Embeera nnungi nnyo ate nga ndi bannange tuli basanyufu nnyo okuba nga tugenda kuddamu tubiisanye nga n'ekisaawe kyaffe kikomyewo nga bulijjo era bambi mutuweyungeko mujje muwagire ettiimu yaffe weeri ewaka tukomyewo.
You see, I think it's all about the passion, okay? It's all about the patriotism, okay? I mean, at the end of the day, we should get goose pimples when the national team goes out into the stadiums and plays. When the national anthem plays and the players are standing on the ground, okay, that feeling is a special feeling.
MTN Cranes FUFA, together we are unstoppable! Together we are!
Okay, the magic of football is in the stadiums. So definitely we are very adamant that it's not just about social media, it's not just about the digital platform, it's not about your TV at home. Come to the stadiums and watch our guys play.
Fire!